Daniel from Missouri City has a creaky toilet.
And the problem, Tom, is spreading. Daniel writes, we have a 3-year-old home, and at the end of a flush, right before the water stops, 2 of our toilets make a creaking sound. And now a third one has decided to get into the band. So our plumber said it's probably the fill valve. Another plumber said it's the shutoff valve and the fill valve. And we have a tight budget and wonder if we can just wait to get this fixed. Or Daniel also wants to know, Tom, is this something that he can probably do himself?
Well, I don't know if you can do it yourself. You could.
Do you think this is what's causing the problem?
Yes, I think the fill valve is the problem. Is it on every toilet or is it one of the fill valves? It could be just one toilet that has a fill valve that's making all the toilets resonate if they're in close proximity to one another. And what you can do is test it by turning the stop off behind one toilet and then flushing the other 2. And if you don't hear the creaking anymore, then it's that one toilet that needs a new fill valve. It's not quite closing all the way and it's resonating the pipes. And every time you flush another toilet, it opens up and does some weird things. But if it's the fill valves, they're very inexpensive. I don't think it's the shutoff valve. I think it's the fill valve. And can you do it yourself? That's going to be for you to determine, not me.
If you want to figure it out, though, there's a video at HomeShowRadio.com shows you how to do it.
Yes, there is.
Have it.
There you have it.
And you can find more of it at HomeShowRadio.com under the Ask Tom tab.
More of it.